This attractive 11.8 acres located near downtown High Springs is zoned R1, rural residential, with the city of High Springs. Mostly pasture, it's high-end dry land with scattered large oaks and has a rolling landscape with a center ridge overlooking valley-like pastures. It's completely fenced. It's within the High Springs city limits and is 1.5 miles from the downtown traffic light off CR 340, Northwest 182 Avenue, Poe Springs Rd. Access is from an easement 20-foot wide and 160-foot long. The easement crosses the west side yard of the house at mailbox 25102. The south boundary line where the gate is located is 464 foot wide and the depth is 1120 foot.